Are you still manually sending WhatsApp messages to your website leads? Then you're totally wasting your time because this task can be completely automated and you can send an instant personalized WhatsApp messages to your leads without typing even a single word. Yes, you heard it right. You can do it by creating an automation using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrate varieties of applications and automate your entire business. So here I'm going to fill my website form and we will check whether I receive a WhatsApp message or not. So here I'm going to fill this website form providing the full name as demo user, email as demoUser@pabblytunes.com, and here I'm going to enter the phone number too. Now let's submit this form, and right here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp to check. And right here you can see I'm on my WhatsApp where I'm successfully receiving this message which says, "Hello demo user, thank you for showing interest in our services through our website." So now you have seen that an instant personalized WhatsApp message is sent to my lead. As here I'm receiving the same name which I have recently filled over my website form. So now you have seen the working of this automation by using which I'm sending WhatsApp messages to my website leads. So you can also do it by just creating an automation using Pabbly Connect. So now let me take you towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect where we are going to create this amazing automation. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window for creating this automation. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page. But if you are a new user to the Pabbly Connect, then you have to access it by opening the new tab and typing the URL of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. And now let's move on towards my workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So trigger is the application which initiates our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my website form. So here I will be selecting my trigger application as Webbook by Pabbly, by using which I'm going to connect my website form with Pabbly Connect. So here I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as Catch Webbook Preferred. And now let's click over this connect button. And right here we are getting this Webbook URL. So by using this Webbook URL, I'm going to make a connection between my website form and Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards the code which I have created for this website form. So right here you can see that I'm in the code of my website form where after this word fetch I have added a dummy URL which I'm going to replace with Webbook URL which I have just received from my Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to enter it. So here I have provided the Webbook URL. Now let's save it over the code. So here I have saved the Webbook URL. And now let's move on towards the Pabbly Connect. And right here you can see on my Pabbly Connect the status is changed to waiting for webbook response. Now for providing the webbook response, let's fill our website form. So here I'm going to fill this website form providing the full name as smart user, email as smartuser@pabblytunes.com, and here I'm going to enter my phone number too. Now let's submit this form, and right here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether we are receiving this data over there or not. So right here you can see on my Pabbly Connect 7 seconds ago we have received this response, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled over my website form. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our website form, and now as soon as someone will fill the form, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. And now let's send a WhatsApp message toward this lead, and for that I'm going to use my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. So now let me search for it, and right here you can see that I'm getting this application, so I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as send text message. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to use your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button. And now here you have to enter the token, phone number, ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. And for getting all these details, you can visit this documentation given over the help text, which will provide you the necessary steps and videos for setting up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect and generating the permanent token inside WhatsApp Cloud API. But as of now, I already have set up my API. So now let's move on towards my API setup page. So right here I'm on my API setup page, where we are getting this option for generating the access token, which I'm going to select. Now here I'm going to select my Facebook account. So here I have clicked over this reconnect button, and afterwards you can see that I'm getting this access token, which I'm going to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect. So here I have entered the token. Now let's get the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID too. So here I have entered the phone number ID, and now I'm going to enter the WhatsApp business account ID too. And now we just have to click over the save button, and right here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting this first field for entering the recipient's mobile number. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type my recipient's mobile number like this, but no, I'm not going to do so, because I'm going to map this field. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my recipient's mobile number from the response which I'm receiving from webhook by Pabbly, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field and this slash symbol, and right here we are getting our previous application, that is webhook by Pabbly. So from its response, let's map the phone number, and now here we have to enter the message which we want to send to our lead. So now let's enter the message over here. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my user. So after this word hello, I'm going to map the name of the lead from the response of the webhook by Pabbly. So here I have mapped it, and now these fields are dynamic, means these are going to change with every new single form submission received over your website form. And for this field, that is recipient's mobile number, I'm going to replace this mobile number with my phone number so that I can show you the response which I'm receiving. So here I'm going to enter my mobile number. So here I have entered it. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and right here you can see that I'm receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a WhatsApp message might be sent. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp and check it. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this message which says, hello smart user, thank you for showing interest in our services through our website. So now you have seen that I'm successfully receiving this WhatsApp message as soon as my lead has filled the website form. So now you can also automate this entire process of sending WhatsApp messages to your leads by just using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now and automate the WhatsApp messages sending to your leads. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.